Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the methods to remove the startup applications on your Windows 11. Without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started with the video. So for that, we can start by using the Task Manager. So head over to your Task Manager. You can right click on your taskbar and look out for the Task Manager option and select it. And once your Task Manager opens up, you can look out for the Startup Applications tab on your left-hand sidebar. So find it up and click on it. And once you click on it here, you can find up the application you want to remove from the startup. So there are a bunch of applications available. Now you just need to go over and disable it. So if you want to disable Copilot, you can right click on it and select the option of disable and confirm it up. That should probably disable the following application from popping up on startup. This is one of the way possible. Apart from that, we can use the settings app. So go over and look out for the settings of your Windows. And once you go to settings, look out for the apps option and select it. After you go to apps, you can look out for the section for startup, the option right there, and find it up. And from here, you just need to go ahead and find the application that you want to turn off from startup. So if you do not want the option, you can just go over and turn it off. For example, I do not want this option of Copilot. So if this option is turned on, you just need to turn it off by clicking on this option right here. And that should turn off the application from appearing on startup. And that's it. So those are probably the solutions. Two solutions or two methods, let's say, that should remove the application from startup. So you can just go over and follow up this process. And we hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and